Hello friends, now we will see how to convert an NFA into an equivalent DFA, right? That is, if the number of states in NFA is equal to 3, here we are having 3 states Q0, Q1 and Q2. Then how many states are possible for a DFA means that is equal to 2 power n. That is 2 power 3, that is up to 8 states may be used in the DFA, right? That 8 states can be formed by using subset. This method is called the subset construction method. How we are converting NFA into an equivalent DFA means by using subset construction. Here the states formed by the subsets are, first one is an empty state, that is pi, that is equal to pi. Next state alone, Q0 alone, Q1, Q2. Next combination of two states, that is Q0, Q1 and Q0, Q2, and next one is the Q1, Q2, right? And last state is the combination of all the three states Q0, Q1, Q2. So these are the 8 possible states of the DFA. Among these 8 possible states, the states reachable from the start state are only considered for the construction of the DFA. Reachable from start state. Here our start state is Q0. That is only considered for the construction of the DFA. And this is an NFA that accepts a string which consists of 1 in the second last position. Consists of 1 in the second last position. Now we have to construct an equivalent DFA for accepting the same set of string. That is 1 in the second last position over the alphabet 0, 1. Here the alphabets are same for the DFA. The alphabets are 0 and 1. Right? And the states are, here we are having Q0, Q1 and Q2. The DFA states are, this 8 states will only be considered here. Not all the 8 states will be included in the DFA. Among these 8 states, the states reachable from the start states are included in the construction of the DFA. Right? How we are extending the transitions? About states, the states will be considered and alphabets are the same what we are having in NFA, that is 0 and 1. Next we have to find out the transitions of the DFA. How we are finding the transitions means, first we have to start with the start state. Here our start state is Q0. Extend the start state Q0 for the input symbol 0. What is the transition for the start state Q0 for the input symbol 0? Self transition, that is equal to Q0. Next Q0 for the input symbol 1. What are the transitions for 1 from the state Q0? One is the self transition, that is Q0, and another one is to the state Q1. So it is equal to Q0, Q1. Right? Here the state extended by using the start states are Q0. This is already an existing state, no problem with that state. And next one is the Q0, Q1. Now this is a new state for constructing a DFA. For this particular state, now we have to extend and find out the transitions of the state. Transitions means what is the transition for the input symbol 0 from the state, and what is the transition for the input symbol 1 from the state Q0, Q1. Now this is a single state. Q0, Q1 will be considered as a single state. Already we formed using subset construction. Here Q0, Q1 is the possible state of a DFA. Now we have to extend the state Q0, Q1 for the input symbol 1 and for the input symbol 0. Right? First Q0, Q1 for 0. This can be written as del of Q0, 0 union del of Q1, 0. First thing is Q0, 0 and next union del of Q1, 0. First extend this and extend this Q1, 0. What is Q0, 0? See here Q0, 0 is again Q0 equal to Q0 union what is del of Q1, 0. Q1, 0 is to the state Q2. So it is equal to Q2. So Q0 union Q2, that is Q0, Q2. Q0, Q2 is a new state formed for constructing a DFA. Q0, Q2 is a new state. That is already done subset construction. We formed the state called Q0, Q2. Now this is reachable from the state Q0. Till now what are the states reachable from the start state Q0? First Q0, Q1 is reachable. Next Q0, Q2 is also reachable from the start state Q0. Right? We extended the Q0, Q1 for the input symbol 0. Next we have to extend the state Q0, Q1 for the input symbol 1. Like this, here we are also extending Q0, 1 union q1 comma 1. What is q0 comma 1? q0 comma 1 is q0 comma 1 is q0 comma q1. For q0 comma 1 we are having two transitions, that is one is q0 and another one is q1. So q0 comma q1 union what is q1 comma 1? q1 comma 1 is q2. So q2 it is equal to q0 comma q1 comma q2. Right? Now that is also at DFA state, newly formed DFA state. Right? Now we extended q0 comma q1 for 0 and q0 q1 for 1. Next we have to extend this new state q0 comma q2 for the input symbol 0 and for the input symbol 1. q0 q2 for 0 and q0 q2 for the input symbol 1. Right? While extending q0 comma q2 for 0, it is equal to the start state q0. Next, while extending q0 comma q2 for the input symbol 1, it is equal to q0 comma q1. Now q0 and q0 q1 are already existing state. q0 is already existing state. q0 comma q1 is also an existing state. Already we extended the state q0 comma q1. Right? And next, till now we extended the state q0, q0 q1, q0 comma q2. Next only the state we have to extend is q0 comma q1 comma q2. Right? We have to find out the transition for the state q0 comma q1 comma q2. q0 comma q1 comma q2 comma 0. Here we are extending this state for the input symbol 0. Likewise, again we are extending the same state for the input symbol 1. Here we extended for 0, here we extended for 1. Right? That is equal to, here the result is q0 comma q2 and here the result is equal to q0 comma q1 comma q2. So q0 comma q2 is also an existing state, already we extended here. q0 q1 q2 is also an existing state, that is also extended here. Right? Now we extended all the states reachable from the start state q0. Now what are the states reachable from the start state? q0 is the start state. From q0 where we reached? For input symbol 0, self transition. So no problem. Next for 1 from q0 where we are moving q0 comma q1. q0 comma q1 is a new state, that is a state of a DFA. Next q0 comma q1 for 0, that is equal to q0 comma q2. q0 comma q2. Here q2 is a final state in the NFA. So the state which consists of q2 will all considered as a final states of the DFA. Right? So q0 comma q2 is also considered as a final state. Right? q0 q2. Next q0 comma q1 for 1, that is equal to q0 q1 q2. Here q0 comma q1 comma q2. This is also a final state because it is also having q2. Right? These are the 4 states for constructing the equivalent DFA for this NFA. Right? These are the only 4 states that is reachable from the start state. What is the transition for q0 comma 0? q0 comma 0 is self transition. What is q0 comma 1? q0 comma q1, q0 comma 1. And next, what are the transitions for q0 comma q1 for 0? For 0 it is to q0 comma q2. For 1 it is moving to q0, q1 and q2. What are the transitions for q0 comma q2? q0 comma q2 comma 0 is to the start state q0. To the start state q0 comma 1, that is to the state q0 comma q1. And what are the transitions for the q0, q1, q2? For 0 it is to the state q0, q2. For 0 it is to the state q0 comma q2, and for 1 it is having self transition, and for 1 it is having self transition. Right? This is the equivalent DFA for this particular NFA. Next thing is check whether the DFA also accepts the string that is having 1 in the second last position. Right? 1 in the second last position. Consider an example. 1 in the second last position 1011. 1011 will be considered as a string. For NFA 1011 means for the first one it is moving, either it is making self transition or it is moving from the Q0 to Q1. In the second position means it is moving from Q0 to Q1 again for 0, 1, 0. That is for 1, 0 it is halting in the state Q2. Right? So we have to consider the self transition for the first symbol 1. For the first one it is making self transition, and for the second 0 also again self transition. Third one it is moving from Q0 to Q1, and for the fourth one again it is moving from Q1 to Q2. So this is an accepted string for the NFA. Consider the same string for the DFA. First thing is 1. From Q0 for 1 it is moving to, where it is moving? For 1 it is moving from Q0 to Q0 comma Q1, and for next 0 Q0 comma Q1 to Q0 comma Q2, and for the next one, for the third one again coming back to Q0 comma Q1, and for the last one from Q0 comma Q1 to Q0 Q1 Q2. Now this is a final state. So the string is also accepted by the DFA. Now the string 1011 is accepted by the NFA, and also it is accepted by the DFA. This is the NFA and this is the equivalent DFA constructed by using subset construction. Right? Thank you.